Hey everyone, Steph here. Today's video is an emergency video. I had to let you know because I have not seen such an incredible discount in a very long time now, okay? So I'm gonna be sharing with you, it has just gone live today, the 22nd of July, for 25% off brand new, legit items on 24S, including, okay, Chloe, Prada, Alexander McQueen, Marc Jacobs, just to name a few. I'm going to be showing you some of my favorite items from some of these brands and applying the discount code to show you that it works. I will, of course, pop all the information that you need in the description box down below, as well as we're about to go through the code details in a second. I have also popped links in the description box so that you can shop this discount code really easily. Guys, this is an amazing one. This video was not planned for today. The scheduled video for today is going to go out at a later date because I had to let you know about this. Before we dive straight in, if you don't want to miss out on a future video release, including videos like this, where when I find amazing discounts and sale items, I will let you know. They will land in your inbox. Make sure you are on the Handbagholic email list. Again, I'll pop a link to that down below so you can sign up and be notified of amazing deals. So here we go. This is the discount code for 24s.com. It starts today, the 22nd of July, and runs until the 5th of August 2022. You can use code CVD15 for 15% off orders €150, pounds or dollars. Plus, you can use code CVD20 for 20% off orders that are over €300, pounds or dollars. But the big one here, guys, CVD25, 25% off orders over €500, pounds and dollars. This is worldwide, but for some reason it excludes France. This is valid on full price items only. I'm going to take you through now some of the brands that this works on and some of my favorite key pieces that I'm going to be applying a 25% discount to. Also, before we start, I sometimes get asked, is 24S legit? I can confirm it is absolutely legit. So it's actually owned by LVMH, which is the group that owns Louis Vuitton. So all of these brands actually fall under the LVMH group, Louis Vuitton, Dior, Celine. These brands are not included in this discount, but I will go through now which ones are. So first, let's start with one of my favorite brands, Chloe. We have so many variations of the woody tote, guys. We've got the basket bag here. I will show you a few of my favorites in a second. We've got the Marcy. This works on the bags, the fashion, the shoes, absolutely everything from Chloe. We've got the new mini size woody tote bag. I recently tried this on in London with the Nano. The Nano was cute, but very impractical. The Mini, however, would fit any size mobile phone. So this is a fantastic size, super lightweight. I absolutely love the woody bag. Some amazing fashion. It also includes the very famous woody mules here. We have a few variations of these. Oh, look at these colourful woody tote bags. Oh my gosh. Like, I cannot believe 25% off all of these brand new pieces from Chloe. I love these trainers as well. Okay, so some of my favorites here. The Chloe Woody small tote bag. I love this one. Here we've got the blue leather trim. You've also got different color options, guys. So change the colors here. And this one's like a more light biscuit color. This is the mini size. Next, we have the small, which again is kind of like the, actually this is the next size up, sorry, from the mini, slightly bigger. I'm loving this in the suede. Oh my God, it's like such a luxurious looking suede. It goes perfectly with the Chloe like ribbons around it, and you get a crossbody strap. 25% off this amount. So they do 10% off, but we're going to be adding a 25% off code at the checkout. We've also got the suede larger woody tote if you need something that can carry a laptop. Great option. We also have one of my personal favorites, the shearling small woody tote bag. Again, crossbody this one. Oh, I love this. I tried this on in flannels. It's so cute. Perfect for autumn, winter. We've got the mini tote here, which I've just talked about. This is a slightly smaller size. Guys, we've got all the different color options here. Add them to your basket. 25% off. I'm going to be showing you this in a second. $750. We have the normal woody tote here in the medium size. This is a very popular one. I've had this one. Love it. Super lightweight. However, I just decided to go for a crossbody version instead. We've also got this rainbow colored version for anyone that wants, you know, to stand out a little bit more. We have the like rainbow edge stitch Chloe Woody mules here. We have this Marcy wallet. I'm loving this full leather wallet here. $590, 25% off this amount. We have the Marcy Nano saddle bag. As Cassie Thorpe would say, tiny bag energy. Oh my gosh, look at this. Oh, we have a little orange. I'm loving this with the top. This is adorable. Oh, we've also got it in grey. Guys, this might be the nano bag that I need in my life, especially for this price and the discount. We've got these like woven woody flat sandals here. Loving those. We've got the woody sandals in all the different colours. We've got the pink. We've got like the beige, the creams, the neutrals. We've even got a purple here, guys. I'm loving it. We've then got the woody tote here with the detailing down the side. Love that. Some wedges here if you prefer something with a little bit of height. These are gorgeous. And oh my gosh, we have the Marcy shoulder bag. This is a new colour in like a sage. I am loving this. Sage is so in right now. This will go perfectly from summer to autumn, winter. And we have like the patterned shoulder strap on there. Honestly, the amount of bag you get for your money when it comes to Chloe compared to other luxury brands is just no holds bars. Okay, so here we are, shopping bag. We've added it all to the shopping bag, guys. We are not messing about. CVD 25 because we have spent the threshold. Apply. You ready for this? Here we go. 25% off every single thing here. Wow, all the Chloe items, 25% off, massive savings to be made. Next, we have Prada, 25% off Prada. This just does not happen, guys. Now, I will say, it looks like this is not available, like Prada isn't available on 24S for the US, but it is available for people in the UK. So depending on which country you're in, I would advise going on, searching Prada, because these are some big savings to be had. I'm loving this nylon padded tote bag here. What else have we got? We've got quite a few bits of fashion. We do have some bags, like small little wallet on chain there. We've got trainers, sliders, boots. It works on all of these Prada products on 24S. We have a crystal shopper tote bag. Let me show you some of my favorites here. Here we've got the nylon padded tote bag. I am loving this. I actually quite like it, to say that I don't usually like this style. I would take this like phone holder off here, but I am really liking this as a tote bag. You can't beat a tote bag that comes with a crossbody strap. Oh, and it's got a zipper. This is going to be perfect for security. £1,318 here in the UK, and we're going to get the discount in a second, guys. I'm going to show you it works on Prada. Re-edition Saffiano leather bag here. This one is going to be super hard wearing because it is a Saffiano leather. I know that the re-edition is so popular, so if you've been looking at one, now could be the time. I'm also really liking these for autumn winter. We've got the Prada on the side, nothing too over the top, but I'm just loving the military style of these boots. Then we've got this crystal tote bag. I'm being serious, guys. Someone buy this before I do. It is amazing. £1,615. I have just got my crystal shopper tote. If I hadn't have purchased that, I would be buying this right now with 25% off that price. Unbelievable. We've then got this bag. I've not seen this bag before, but I'm quite liking it. Nylon and brushed leather shoulder bag. This is in like a grey, blue colour. Quite different with the belt across the front of it. And then I'm really loving this one. This is the City crossbody bag. Again, this one is a new style to me. I feel like it's a cross between, I don't know, the Kahia bag, kind of the shape of the bag, and the locks on top, meets the re-edition almost with the Saffiano leather. I'm loving that. It looks really smart. You've got the logo on the front, but it's not too much, you know, but you can tell it's a designer bag. £2,040. Okay, we've added these to our basket again, guys. Let's apply the discount code just to prove that it works. Here we go. 25% off. This one here would be like £1,000, less than £1,000 with the discount. 600 for these beautiful boots. We have the crystal bag here, £400 off. This would be what, £1,200 with the discount, guys. Someone stop me. So is Marc Jacobs, and I can't lie, I am going to be a bit biased because I really like the Marc Jacobs, the tote bag. There are so many styles of bags on here. 25% off. Wow, I'm like a kid in a candy store. I am loving this white leather one here. We have such a wide range. You've got some fashion, but mostly bags actually, which I am not complaining about. Look at this green one. Okay, we've got some jewelry as well. Oh, I like that, like small bangle. $114, not bad. Okay, we've got the mini tote here in all leather. This is a very popular one. 25% off this price. These are all brand new, guys. We've got loads of different colours. The red, the white one is currently out of stock, but it might come back into stock. This is called Cotton. I really do like this one. And you get a crossbody strap with this. Oh, what a great, and you get a zip across the top as well, so it's secure. Marc Jacobs have thought of everything with this one. Then we have a fluffy version of the bag. This is in the small size, so a bit bigger, perfect for autumn, winter. This one's just a little bit of fun, right? Not completely overpriced either, $343. And the discount. I'm going to stop saying that, guys, because I've said it that many times. I just cannot believe the percentage that we're getting off here. This one has been a personal favourite for a while. I don't know why I haven't purchased it yet. Maybe it's because I was waiting for this moment. Bright green, see-through. Imagine this on the beach. Like, what a vibe. This one here. Please don't sell this out, guys, because I'm seriously considering it along with the green. Marc Jacobs tote bag. Look at this. This is the summer mini tote. We've got a black trim. We've got, you know, this doesn't stand out too much. I think the colours on this one work perfectly. Zipper across the top. Oh, and a crossbody strap. This one is adorable. We've got the mini tote here in like a warm sand colour. I actually think I prefer the other one that we've just seen. We've also got the new Marc Jacobs bucket bag. I have not seen many people with this, but if you are looking for a bucket bag, want to try one out, I would go down this route. We have a black with the gold. Oh, I'm loving this. And we've also got a purple as well. Next up, this one is not for the faint-hearted, sorry. It is not for the faint-hearted. We have like a metallic silver with some multicolour down the side. This isn't for everyone, but for the people that it is for, you even get a bottle holder on the side. Stop. This bag is for certain people. You are just going to love it and you're going to know that this one is for you. Now, I personally prefer this one, more of a neutral, like a woven-y bag here. These are so in fashion right now, you know, things that look, I don't know, a bit more rustic, if you will. Bottle holder on the side. This could be a great bag for like, you know, going to the gym or yoga. You might want to get the next size up. But yeah, if you just want to carry a few things with you or head to the beach, perfect. Leather. Tote bag here in the all black. So this one's sold out at the moment, might come back in stock. The mini tote in the black with the cream on the side, and then we've got the snapshot crossbody bag. There's quite a few different bags to choose from, loads of different colours. Okay, to prove this works, we've added it all, Marc Jacobs, to our basket. Let's add the code again, guys. Oh, I cannot wait to see these prices before and after. Look at this. It's glorious. Absolutely glorious. $72 off the small green tote. $56 off the summer mini tote. Have fun with this. These discount codes also work on all of Alexander McQueen. Guys, we've got some amazing trainers here. Think like Christmas presents, birthday presents. Can you stock up now with this discount? I am personally loving these oversized sneakers from McQueen with like these black embellishment on. Beautiful. The discount also works on Coach. So we've got quite a few Coach bags here if this is a brand that you like. Oh, this one's cute with the horse on the front. It works on Canada Goose. So if you're looking to wrap up warm, there are some beautiful jackets here and outerwear as well. Then I'm loving this one, the Chelsea Parker. I just think this one is gorgeous. And it also works on, oh, we've scrolled down too far here. I've been shopping, guys. It also works on Zimmermann. Let me show you. Oh, I'm loving this silk wrap dress. Here we've added them to the cart and applied the same code for 25% off your order. Coach, Canada Goose, Zimmermann, Alexander McQueen. This is not an exhaustive list, but these are some of the main brands that I have found so far. It also works on Self-Portrait, Burberry and Paco Rabanne. I've probably not exhausted the list. It doesn't work on big brands like Louis Vuitton and Dior, but we have some great brands here. What a fantastic saving. Let me know in the comments what you guys all get. Wow, how many incredible items can you get 25% off on? Honestly, my basket on 24S is so full right now. I'm just debating which pieces I definitely want to get. Please do let me know in the comments down below, what are you liking the look of? If you are unsure of anything or you just want to ask an opinion, you can always head over to Instagram. My handle is at handbag_holic. Send me a DM. I'm always happy to help out. And as a reminder, I have popped links in the description box down below for you so that you can shop the 25% off on 24S. This is for a limited time only, so I've tried to get this video as quickly as possible. Now make sure you don't go anywhere, because coming up next, I'll link my latest video release here for you, and over here we are going luxury shopping in London. There is so much eye candy in this video, guys. You aren't going to want to miss it. Enjoy.